Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So some of you may or may not know, but I'm good friends with an artist in Canada called MelyD, and she does a lot of acrylic pouring and resin and various types of art, and she is just amazing. We've done a couple collabs together. I actually went up to Canada to see her, and we did a painting together there. But it's been a while, so now while we're all in lockdown in our homes, we've decided to yet again collab. And this time, we are going to basically do paintings that are the same colors. So we're using only black and white, and I'm using the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paint. Ironically, I have one glove on. You'll see why in a minute. But we did this, our first collab, we did something similar where we did paintings with the same colors, but we both pick our own techniques. So I'm going to do one of my favorite techniques, which is the turkey pour. And I'm just going to layer the white and black in here carefully. And I am using a black Arteza canvas for this, just because. So I am going to ask you all to please, please, please go check out Melly's channel. And we're going to post our videos at the same time. So I'll post the link for hers in the description and in the end screens and everything. Make sure you go check that out. And also please do me a big favor and make sure you're subscribed to her as well. Us artists could use as much support as humanly possible during these times. And trust me, she is just an amazing artist. And what I love about her too is that she actually really studies the materials she's using, and she could tell you the exact science behind everything. Whereas I'm a little more just kind of go for it and see what happens kind of person. So she's awesome. All right. That looks really cool already. And of course, I'm using my Lowly Veffe bowl. I've got my Lowly Veffe mat under here. All materials will be in the description. This particular paint is only sold at Michael's currently. And so here we go. I'm going to do the turkey pour. I don't remember if I already said that or not, but I thought it would look amazing with black and white. So here we go. Here goes nothing. One of the issues with black and white is that you can get a lot of gray, which is why I thought this particular paint would be good for this technique. And I just thought it'd be really cool, trippy painting with the black and white. All right, I like to kind of let it sit for a minute and let the paint kind of drain out. This is a technique I came up with some point last year because it reminds me of when you're little and you use your hand to draw the turkeys. And it always makes a really cool pattern. All right, so I'm going to take any excess paint from my glove and just get my corners over here. I'm also really excited about the runoff from this paint. It makes just the coolest runoff. Here we go. So far, so good. It has been, let's just say kind of a rough month. So I'm really happy that I'm doing this collab, and I'm going to be doing some more collabs coming up because it gets me to kind of think outside the box and do something a little bit different and make something super friggin' cool like this. That is awesome. I am so in love. And I cannot wait to see what technique MelyD is doing. I have no idea. But she just has some of the most amazing techniques that she's come up with. All right, let's let this sit for a little bit. This paint does not tend to change on its own, but we'll let it sit and then we'll do our close-up. Okay, so we're back really not much change. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. Starting on the lower right-hand corner. Now, one of the things that I love about this paint is that it doesn't really go gray when the black and the white mix. It gives you more this awesome kind of brown sepia. I don't know what the correct terms would be, but it just gives you a bit of a different color instead of just gray. And check out just the killer patterns here. This paint also dries very shiny. So it has a super glossy finish. It will pretty much look exactly like this when it is dry. And there you go. Okay guys, I really hope you love this as much as I do. Like, I cannot tell you how much I love, love, love this piece. And I just want to thank MelyD for doing this collab with me. So please, please, please go check out her channel, show her some love, subscribe, and we will see you all next time. All right guys, I just wanted to show you, this is what it looks like all dry. So as you can see, it really didn't change much. Still pretty glossy. Just wanted to show you the dry version because I know MelyD always does at the end of her videos. So once again, go check out her channel and I'll see you all next time.